Thank the Honourable Prime Minister on his comments. Just reiterating, ladies and gentlemen of the media, our fifth and sixth case are a couple. The sixth and the seventh cases are a couple who live in Namboa and were diagnosed with COVID-19 last night, early this morning. They developed symptoms on the 31st of March and the 1st of April. And when they contacted our health team, the health team acted immediately and appropriately. The couple were assessed, investigated, and results were confirmed on the 1st of April. Our contact tracing team are currently following all the leads on the two patients' itinerary in the last few days. We are also following up on a person of interest who is linked to the couple. He had a history of travel abroad to India and Singapore and arrived on the 22nd of March. He was picked by the couple at Nadi Airport and brought to Suva. And we are following up on all his potential contacts and the areas that he and the family had moved around in Nandi, in Suva, and as well as in Lambasa. Our contact tracing team are working hard on ensuring that all contacts of the two patients are identified and assessed, and we will be informing you as we progress in this regard. Meanwhile, our first to the fifth patients remain in the West, and they are on the way to recovery. They are doing well and stable. And our health team at Lautoka, as we had highlighted yesterday, are currently on the move. 30 teams out in the field as we speak, into the greater Lautoka area with the purpose and intent to see as many people as possible, identify cases of fever, and make sure that all persons that they are interested in are assessed and appropriately managed. Thank you very much.